If you're looking to make money on TikTok, this video is definitely for you. And the first step to actually achieving that is to start by creating an international TikTok account. So now there are some cautions or precautionary measures that I would want you to put in check, to put in place. These measures will help you to still keep that account active. Be careful when signing into that app because that is where most people make mistakes. The moment they finish creating these accounts on their browser and they log into their app, the thing gets banned. This method I'm going to tell you is guaranteed. If you follow these exact steps, there is no way your TikTok account is going to get banned when you finish creating it. Okay, so now let's get into it. Before you start creating this account, remember you're still going to log into your app after creating that account on your browser. So what you have to do is that particular app you're using, that your TikTok app, if you have any account you're signed into there, maybe your Nigerian account or any other account you're signed into, log out of the account or log out of those accounts from your TikTok app. And once you log out of those accounts, don't log back into TikTok or don't even use TikTok on that same device for a day or two, okay, before you start creating that account. Because if you end up logging out of the account just now and in 30 minutes or in 1 hour you're creating an account, an international TikTok account, how do you want to explain to TikTok that this IP address, this device was in Nigeria 30 minutes ago and it's now in UK in 1 hour? So try to avoid using that app completely for a day or two. Then once you finish creating that account successfully on your browser, before you log into that account on your app, make sure you also change the location of your TikTok account. Still go back to that place that says Nigeria whatever, select it and choose UK. If it's a UK account you created, if it's a US account you created, choose US before you log into that account on the app. Then when you're done logging into the app and you're done with everything you want to do on the app, log out of that account. Even after you finish creating the account and you've logged out, please, still on that device, do not log into even your Nigerian account on that same device for the next 2 days. And after 3 days or 2 days, you cannot log into your Nigerian account. As you log into the Nigerian account, please still don't log into that international account yet till after 5 days. That's 2 extra days. Still make sure you don't make any posts there yet. You're going to be making your first post maybe after a week of logging in the second time. You understand what I'm saying? One more thing, one more precautionary method. Please, before you start creating that account on TikTok, please make sure that you're using an email address that you have never used on any TikTok account before. So even if you use the account on TikTok, even if you use the email address on an account on TikTok and later removed it and replace the different email address, so far that email address has been linked to a TikTok account in the past, please avoid that email address. Either you go ahead and create a new email address for this new international TikTok account, or you use an email address that have not been linked to TikTok before. Okay, once you have this email address ready, of course you're good to go and you can go ahead and start creating this your international TikTok account and start making money online. Okay, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. And hold on, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you don't get to miss out a single thing. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.